meditation, calmness, and gratitude. Welcome to this moment of silence and peace. Settle in comfortably. Let your shoulders relax. Allow your body to find a position of comfort and stability. Close your eyes, focus your attention on your breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale deeply. Allow each exhalation to take away the tension. Now imagine that you are in a calm, safe, and beautiful place in nature. Allow yourself to choose where you want to be at this moment. Perhaps in a cool forest with tall trees and sunlit patches on the ground. Or on the seashore where the waves caress the sand beneath your feet. Or perhaps on the shore of a calm lake where the water is smooth like a mirror. Choose the place that best meets your need for tranquility. Choose a place that makes you feel protected and calm, in harmony with yourself. Allow yourself to see it with all your senses, to feel it. What do you hear? What do you feel? What scent surrounds you? Feel how this place embraces you, how nature accepts you just as you are. Stay in this feeling. With your breath slowly, calmly, connect with the rhythm of this place. With the rhythm of life, with the rhythm of yourself. Now direct your attention to the heart. Imagine that a bright space opens up there, and from it begins to pour gratitude. Start with the simple things. Thank you for this breath. Thank you for this body. Thank you for this opportunity to connect with myself. You can be thankful for everything you remember. Let the gratitude expand. To the people in your life, to the experiences, the lessons, even the difficulties. Thank yourself for being here. That you take care of yourself, that you do not give up. Inhale gratitude, exhale peace. I give you a little time to be thankful for everything you remember. Stay here a little longer in your peaceful place, enveloped in gratitude. Let this feeling imprint on your heart. You can return here whenever you need. When you are ready, start slowly returning to the present. Move your fingers and toes. Gently smile at yourself. Open your eyes. You are here, you are at peace, you are in harmony with yourself, and you are gratitude.